asingeneni ku-hot topic yethu yanamhlanje. Hi KVG, hi 3 to 6 family. I am a guy aged 29 and my story goes like this. I dated a girl for 2 years. She's 22 now. This year in August, her aunt called and said, "Come, let's talk." Semunu aivepa chokwadi ndakaenda ndikanovaona. She then asked if I had ever been intimate nimskana wangu, to which I said yes. She then said she's pregnant. I couldn't deny the issue because I had been intimate with her several times. I then said I will have to gather ndirore. For sure, I worked for those 2 months, and last week, October, I had 3,000 and paid lobola. I had to rush because taichka damage. Last week, I went to see her parents. Her sisters heard I was coming. I saw Manuachita to Matare, and I became suspicious. One of her cousin sisters then texted me, "Kuti, you have been wondering why your girlfriend is losing weight. I know you think it's pressure Yemaro, but your girlfriend is no longer pregnant." I was shocked because I ran a pregnancy test myself and it was positive. If she is really pregnant, she will be 4 months pregnant this month, but I don't see any signs, and I know the other sister is not lying. My girlfriend is not even telling me that she is not pregnant anymore. Her cousin sister just said, "Soon you will be called Muchinzi Munu when you aita miscarriage, but numba asisina." All this is something affecting me. Apa andisati ndamutora. I'm planning to have her come mid-December. Is it fair to assume she had a miscarriage and never bothered to tell me? Did she abort? If she is not pregnant anymore, ndodi nai. Was the pregnancy even mine? Because I never said no. When is she planning to tell me? Should I confront her? Please help. Yo hot topic yetu namhlanje.
Thank you, Mangle. On 0772162651, you're connecting with us, a 29-year-old versus a 22-year-old. Ndo nyaya tipira. Someone says, I feel good to wakadana na negeva 436 last digits of your number. And this one also coming in says, I'm sorry to say this, but I feel good to numbu yanga isiri yako mkomana apa wakato visa marikari. Yanga isiri yake mfesu, he needs to be refunded, KVG. Another one also coming in says, yes, a pregnancy test gonna kuita positive. Kana paine majete aitwa. Run, my brother. Ano manya say akabvisa pfuma ngati nyatso pindeka mu topic yacho tonyatso inzwisisa mamiro ayakaita anenge akuita say ndo chenjedzo ya munenge makumupa. Remember akabvisa pfuma this guy, but asati anotora msikana wake. 0772162651. Hello Star FM. A bad connection here. 0772162651. Hi. Hi, Maswera say.
Fera say KVG.
I watch reporting. Murwi wanna say now Edianas.
We first we got to a full zero.
Eh? Neima daro murku neima ona say kunga tambwa 40.
Both our schools were chopping out the pregnancy. I can't say how. Afterwards, Amari, what was on? Abasana, no one do a full year.
All right, but abatanzwa kuti ari kuudzwa nemakuwaka ari kutaura ake kuti mimba zveshuwa pamusikana wake haisi kuonekera because ari kuti ane 4 months and zvinogona kudaro kana musikana iri mimba yekutanga kuti inogona kunonoka kuoneka, but ari kuti iye audzwa nekazeni iri kungotaura kuti akuno kuisu tiri kuziva kuti mimba hakusisina achiri makuhwa. You see? And that's also something that we need to consider. Achiri makuwa.
It's not even, it hasn't been proven to be true.
Yeah.
My contribution in the Hansina Marcos Vanda Paninyaya, I rest my case. I feel the child was not his. He can forego the lady Maria Inabatsa, that Simon Infio. Muriese Matsoti, Fumanga yende hayo panekuti ugari ne matsotsi anatete nemskana enda nemskana kwa chiremba upedze makuwa.